By using result set enhancements feature, what are the operations we can perform? By using result set enhancements feature, what are the operations we can perform? First one, moving a cursor in a scrollable result set. Okay. Second one, updating records with methods. Third one, inserting records with methods. Fourth one, deleting records with methods. So first one, second one completed. Third one, inserting records, deleting records. Third and fourth. See, third one, node on inserting records with methods. Inserting records with methods. Inserting records with methods. Here two methods required. These two methods required. Node on, move to insert row. It is used to move the cursor to insert a record. It is used to insert a record. Move to insert row, two methods. Move to insert row, two methods. Remaining methods, update methods only we have to use. Is it over? Say in a result set, like SQL prompt I'll open. First, is it over? Writing is over. So two methods. Move to insert row. It is used to move the cursor to insert a record. Insert row. It is used to insert a record. I'll explain how to insert. Suppose total 7 records are there. 7 records. I want to insert between 2 and 3. It is not possible. Okay. I want to insert here. I want to insert here. Like that, it is not possible to specify. I want to insert here. Like that also, it is not possible. Wherever table space is there, it will insert. But maximum times at last only inserted. But that is, we cannot give a 100% guarantee. Wherever space available, suppose while deleting records, space may be available here. Then it will be inserted here also. You cannot give a guarantee to insert record at last or in between, like that, not possible. That is the reason this method name move to insert row. Where it is going to move, you cannot predict. Wherever table space is there it will move. So even you cannot specify insert here only, insert here only, insert here only, it is not possible. Okay. Suppose if I insert a record, the record may be inserted roll number 8. Roll number 8 may be inserted between 2 and 3. But if you want to retrieve in an order, use SQL order. SQL order by queries are there, no? That is you can use. But insert here only, you cannot specify. That is not possible. Okay. Wherever table space is there inserted. That is the reason method name is move to insert row. There it will move. Insert row, it is going to insert. So suppose space is available here only last. Then cursor comes to directly here. Then here some space allocated. We have to fill 3 columns. Here roll number, name, marks. You have to insert. For this, yesterday you have seen update methods. Same update methods you have to apply. Now 3 times update int, update string, update int you have to call. After that, insert row you have to call inserted. Now see the diagram, how to insert. See. Now, suppose Java application. It is database. Okay. Here, suppose student table. Suppose already 2 records are there. Now, how to insert through Java methods you are learning. Normal insert record already you studied. With a static SQL query you studied. With a dynamic SQL query also you studied. Even PLSQL program also you studied. 3 different ways inserting you studied. Now it is one more way. With the Java methods only we can insert. SQL request, SQL response. That response comes like a result set. So now it is not a table, it is result set. Suppose 1 triple E 89 2 triple B 90. Now first of all, this is result set generated with select query. With a select query, result set generated. This result set referred by something RS. Now, whenever result set generated, result set pointer or cursor points to before first record. Here, first we have to call result set reference dot move to insert row. You have to call. See, result set dot move to insert row. We have to call. We have to call. Move to insert row. I'll call. Then what will happen? Wherever table space is there it will move. Suppose space is available here. It will move here. After that, we have to fill this. How to fill? rs dot update int. Column number 1. Roll number 3. Then here 3 inserted. Here 3 inserted. Okay. Again here rs dot update string. 2 comma name, suppose triple C. I'll write. Then triple C inserted here. rs dot update int. Column number 3 marks, suppose 55. Then 55 inserted here. Okay. This is one table, one record. One record. This is one record. Okay. Now this is result set updated. At last, you have to call result set dot insert row. You have to write. Then it is inserted in database. So roll number 3, triple C, one record, complete record inserted. Like this inserted. So first of all, we have to call move to insert row method. Move to insert row method, you have to call cursor move to insert a record. After that, you need to fill the data like a roll number, name, marks, 3 methods, 3 columns, 3 methods. And last insert row, then inserted in database. Remaining code is same. I'll show you, write this one. Write this diagram. Move to insert row, update int, update string, update int. Depends upon column numbers, column data. This is like a column number, column index. 1, 2, 3. So yesterday we used update methods. For updating also update method, inserting also update method. Method same. Is it over? Say, first whenever result set is generated, then result set pointer or cursor points to before first record. Before first record. But now you should not call absolute method, relative method, or these all before first, after la, these all you should not call. You must call move to insert row. Then wherever table space is there, it will move. In that location, it is going to insert. So in a database, here only insert, we cannot specify. It is not possible. But what will be happen if you want in a proper order, use SQL queries to bring the data in order. Okay. That's what SQL, PLSQL compulsory you have to learn. Okay. Those who didn't attend till Oracle class, either parallelly you attend now itself or later you attend. But compulsory you have to learn Oracle. At least one database knowledge is mandatory. One database knowledge is mandatory. Okay. Any one database. No need to learn 4, 5 database, 2, 3 database also. One only database, one database knowledge is compulsory. Okay. Now, how to do this one you observe? Here already 7 records are there. Okay. Now roll number 8 I'll insert. Now maximum times it will be inserted at the end only. While deleting records that may be inserted deleted place. If you delete, suppose this one deleted, at the time may be inserted here or inserted here. But here I didn't delete. That's what maximum times here only inserted. Okay. Now this program you have seen yesterday. With this program only we updated, with this program only we moved cursor, and 2 programs you have seen here only. Now here also same code. First you observe connection establishment same, statement same, this up to getting result set same. Here only changes. Here rs dot what we have tried, move to insert row. Move to insert row. After that, rs dot update int, column number 1. Suppose, okay, here now I'll give 8. I'll give. Okay, in the diagram, just like 3 are given, here 8 I'm writing. RS dot update string 2 something triple H. Next, RS dot update int. Column number 3, sub marks 80. Last what you have to write? Insert row. Then one message. One record inserted successfully. See, Eclipse shortcut keys I'll explain. Eclipse shortcut keys I didn't explain. Eclipse shortcut keys also I'll explain. So actually here, one shortcut key is there to get a shortcut keys also. For getting shortcut keys also, one shortcut key is there. Okay? These are shortcut keys. For getting shortcut keys also, one shortcut key is there. Okay? These all I'll teach. Whatever very regular we use, I'll teach. Now, connection code every day you are writing same. Now, you observe. This file name, what I given? More demo. Right click, run as Java application. See, one record inserted successfully. You can check. See, roll number 8 inserted. Okay. See, here run as next topic onwards, run on server record. Next topic. Next topic onward, Java programming style is totally changed. Up to JDBC, core Java, same type appears. And next topic, Soulets onwards is completely different. Okay. Now, this program, instead of writing complete code, only write it from statement onwards. Make a connection every day same. Okay. Just only statement onwards write it. Statements onwards. Note down. Example. Because that is every day same code. No change. Only write this code. Instead of writing complete, only this part write it enough. Remaining connection, every day same. Connection code is same. Only this part, whatever I selected, that is write it enough. So type scroll sensitive, conquer updatable, these all required. If we don't set, by default result set, forward only result set generated. Then we cannot use these methods on forward only result set. Then error exception comes. Program successfully compiled. While running, exception comes. So according to specification, this is also compulsory or write like this only. Individual. Star you should not write. Star if you write doesn't work. While moving a cursor it works. While updating, while inserting, it doesn't, deleting doesn't work. You follow roll number name marks. Insert row only or write. Insert row only. If any modification is there, update. It is inserting purpose, these two methods only outright. But these methods are update methods. Separate method not given for update. But these methods only can continue. And inserting time, first this one, next these three, next this one. Okay. If you want to insert one more record, again you move to insert row, again 3 columns update and insert row. Okay. Multiple SQL queries at a time if you want to send to database, that is next topic, next concept only, batch processing. After this result set enhancements, that is we'll see. Is it over? Say, move to insert row. Wherever table space is there, the cursor move to that particular place. After that, first column updated, second column, third column. It is only result set changed. Whenever you write insert row, then permanently stored in the database. That's what compulsory you write this one. Okay. Now, suppose if you want to delete record, with Java method, which record you want to delete? 4th record, suppose. Then directly you can move the cursor to 4. You can call delete row. That's it. Next, deleting records with methods. Hold on. Deleting records with methods. Write this one. Delete row. In result set enhancements, only first one is important, remaining 3 not important. Updating, inserting, deleting not important. Because with SQL query is better as compared to this one. Instead of Java method, SQL query is better. Moving a cursor purpose, it's okay. Many methods given. Those all okay. But updating, deleting records, these all SQL queries are better instead of this. So delete row for deleting. Just one method. It is used to delete a record. Okay. It is used to delete a record. Wherever you want, there you can move the cursor. I can delete. See, this is, I'll remove. Just sub fourth record I want to delete. How to move the cursor to fourth record? Absolute 4. Absolute 4. Next, rs dot delete row. That's it. Now one record deleted successfully. That's it. See, right click, run as Java application, save. Say one record deleted successfully. You can check. Here total 8 records are there. 4th record deleted. Say roll number 4 deleted. So 7 rows. Suppose again if I execute that Java program, what will be deleted? Roll number 5 deleted. That is not real roll number. That is record number. Okay. If I execute the program again, this roll number 5 deleted. Okay. Now, what you do is complete code, no need to write. From here only same. You write it only this part. Only this part, write it enough. Connection establishment code is same. Whichever record you want to delete, just move the cursor to that particular place, delete. But as compared to this one, SQL query is better. Because with rule number also you can specify. It is row number. It is row number only. 4th record means 4th record deleted. But what is there in the 4th record, we cannot see. Again, you have to open database, you have to check, then only. Then only you can see 4th record. Now, again, if I delete 4th record, rule number 5 deleted. That will be happen. Is it completed? So up to result set same. Last 3 lines, 2 lines only, that's it. So rs dot absolute 4, cursor comes to 4th record. Rs dot delete row, that current row deleted. Okay. Now you studied result set enhancements. result set enhancements, how many categories divided? 2 categories. What are those? Result set types, concurrency types. How many types of result set is there? 3 types. What are those? Type forward only, type scroll insensitive, type scroll sensitive. In these 3, which is default? Type forward only default. Type forward only, will it support backward direction? No. Will it support absolute and relative position? No. These all possible with the type scroll sensitive and insensitive. What's the difference between insensitive and sensitive? Insensitive will not show changes made by others. In the same system, changes means it will show. Other people changes means it will not show. And sensitive will show. Even other people, if they modify also, it will be shown immediately. In a fraction of a second, here also updated. Okay. Now, concurrency types, how many are there? 2. What are those? Conquer read only, conquer updatable. What's the difference? Read only supports read only. Updatable, all operations. Updation, nothing but insert, delete, modify also. All operations supported. Concurrently, at a time, n number of people can update. That is conquer updatable. But conquer read only, one person can update. There also updation possible. Concurrently not possible. One by one possible. It is just like a synchronization in core Java. Synchronization is studied, no? If many threads comes, it will allow one by one. That type. Okay. Now, this is result set enhancements. By using result set enhancements feature, we can perform 4 operations on result set. But first one only important. Second, third, fourth not important. Because instead of this, SQL queries are more better. Now, next concept, batch processing. Or first, batch updates also will call. This one batch processing or batch updates. Because updation operations only will do. That's what our batch updates also they given. Batch processing or batch updates. This feature, note on, batch processing or batch updates. This feature allows to execute more than one SQL query at a time. This feature allows to execute more than one SQL query at a time. This feature allows to execute more than one SQL query at a time. See, you already studied statement, prepared statement, callable statement. 3 interfaces you studied. See, statement, STMT equal to connection reference dot create statement. Like this you'll write. After this, STMT dot execute update. One method I written. Now execute, update, execute query. 3 methods are there. Execute method suitable to execute. Statement is for static only. DDL queries, DDL. Execute update, DML. Execute query, DQL, DQL. Statement, prepared statement, callable statement, 3 difference. Execute, update, execute query different. Statement suitable to execute, static SQL queries. Prepared statement, dynamic SQL queries. Callable statement, PLSQL. But in that 3 interfaces, these 3 methods are there. Execute, update, execute query. Execute suitable to execute, DDL queries. Execute update, DML. Execute query, DQL. So, It execute update, just like a batch updations only. Now, DML queries. Suppose I'll write one insert query here. Insert into student value, something I'll write. If you want to execute one more query, here possible. Execute update. You can write. Here one more insert query or update query, you can write. Possible. In stmt.execute update. Suppose insert again or delete. Like this, you can write. You can write like this also. But what is the problem is, say, like this delete query, you can write like this also. Multiple SQL queries, you can write like this also. What is the problem is, when this line is executed, that query passed to database executed. After that, again, when this line executed, then again query passed. One by one passed. So further what will happen? Client may be somewhere, server may be some other location, database may be some other location. Client can be anywhere in the world. Server can be anywhere in the world. Generally, server database, same location will be there. And database can be anywhere in the world. Like that also possible in real-time applications. That is next topic onwards, you'll get it, total internet applications. So real-time Java starts from next topic. So let's, like internet applications you are going to build, like a login form, registration form, online shopping, online exams, online result, that type of programming. At the time, server can be anywhere in the world. Client can be anywhere in the world. Database can be anywhere in the world. At the time, you'll see. At the time, what is the problem will be comes here. If you use like this is execute update, one query passed. Later again execute update, one more query passed. One by one passed. One by one. Program successfully executed. But client to server, server to database, network traffic, it will become more. That network traffic you can reduce with batch processing. What you can do, all at a time you can make it as batch. Batch at a time you can send. See, for example, you want to send 100 files to your friend. 100 files you want to send to your friend. Will you attach one by one? What will you do? 100 files you will make it as one zip file. That zip file you will attach, you will send. Then what will happen? 100 files grouped together as a one file, zip file. With that data compressed. Even 100 MB data also it will become 60 MB, 70 MB. Then one time only it is passed. With that what will happen? Downloading, uploading time also you can reduce. Network traffic also you can reduce. That is the main intention. So instead of writing this type, at a time, batch at a time you can pass. So by using this feature, we can reduce network traffic. In real-time applications. By using this feature, we can reduce network traffic in real-time applications. So all queries, you can make it as one batch. Batch at a time you can execute. That is possible with batch processing. Just here, two methods are there. Add batch, execute batch. Add batch means added. One by one query you can add. At last, execute batch means batch at a time executed. Then what will happen? 10, 20 queries also at a time you can pass. Instead of sending one by one, at a time you can send. That is the benefit. You can reduce the network traffic. What is the benefit is only this one. Okay. Now, those methods are available in statement interface. Here, advanced Java is nothing but only you should know library. The method in which class, that method in which interface, that is only you should know. That's it. But remaining all with core Java knowledge only you are writing, no? Everything with core Java knowledge only. Advanced Java only library. Which method required, which class required, which package required, if you know, you can write program. That's it. Very simple. So add batch, clear batch, execute batch, these methods are there for batch processing. Clear batch not required. If you want to remove, you can use clear batch. Write this one. Add batch. Execute batch return type is integer array. Integer array is there. Suppose 5 queries are there. 5 queries result, it has to return, no? That's what array. 5 queries. So 5 queries, if you write 5 queries return types stored in array. How many records inserted, how many records updated, how many records deleted, that information if you want to maintain, use that. If you don't want, you can omit that. Method is returning, but I am not receiving, valid. Method is not returning, you are trying to receive, error. Okay. So it is returning. If you want to display that information, use. If you don't want, you can omit. Here, one query you have to write, you have to call add batch. That query added to batch. Execute batch means in that batch, how many queries are there? All at a time executed. Batch at a time executed. Is it over? See. Connection establishment code is same. Just statement onwards I'll write. Okay, otherwise I'll take this program only use observe. I'll modify. Connection establishment same. Okay. After connection, statement required. Statement stmt equal to connection dot create statement. Here we don't require result set dot result set type result set dot concurrency type, because I'm not using result set now. That's what result set is not required. Those parameters not required. It is not result set feature. It is batch processing statement feature. That's what not required. stmt dot add batch. You can write one SQL query here. Okay. Now stmt dot add batch. One more SQL query. stmt dot add batch. One more SQL query. Let this n number of you can write. At last stmt dot execute batch. That's it. Let this we have to write. Suppose here already 7 records are there. Roll number 4 I deleted already. Okay. Now I want to insert one record. Roll number 9. I'll write one query. Insert into student values. Roll number 9. Okay. Triple I marks. This is insert query. Okay. Now I'm inserting one record. One record I'm inserting. One record I want to update. Suppose here marks 74 is there. I want to make it 75. That is roll number 3. Say update table name student set marks equal to 75, where roll number equal to 3. Now update. We are updating which table? Student table. Set marks equal to 75. Where roll number equal to 3. Roll number 3 place marks 74 is there. I'm going to make it 75. Okay. I want to delete one record. Suppose roll number 6 I want to delete. Delete from student. Where roll number equal to 6. These all SQL queries. It is just like English, normal English type only appears, but these are words will be there, syntaxes will be there. Those who didn't learn Oracle, you will learn these all in Oracle class. Okay. So delete from student where roll number equal to 6. Okay. So student table roll number 6 deleted. Now, if I run this program, three queries executed. See, right click, run Java application. Okay. Here I didn't write any output, no? That's what. Okay, you can see here. See, roll number 9 inserted. Roll number 3 updated. Roll number 6 deleted. All at a time done. Now, if I write stmt.execute update like that, also same output comes. That difference also you cannot observe. What's the difference is one query passed. Now 3 queries at a time passed. 3 queries at a time passed. There one query passed. At last output is same. Output same. But 3 queries as a batch prepared, it is passed. It is nothing but hundreds of files will group together as a one zip file. That zip like a batch here. Okay. Write this program. This code also just connect statement onwards, write it enough. Connection same, no? Is it over? So one query added to batch. Batch at a time executed. This is called batch processing. Next, advanced data types. Next node, advanced data types. One is BLOB, second one CLOB. Advanced data types. First one BLOB, second one CLOB. First one BLOB, second one CLOB. BLOB stands for binary large object. BLOB stands for binary large object. Binary large object. It is used to store or retrieve large amount of binary data as a single entity in or from database. It is used to store or retrieve large amount of binary data as a single entity in or from database. BLOB stands for binary large object. It is used to store or retrieve large amount of binary data as a single entity in or from database. Instead of giving two lines, one line I given. It is used to store large amount of binary data as a single entity in a database. Or it is used to retrieve large amount of binary data as a single entity from database. So instead of giving two lines separate, one line only given. Store means in, here retrieve from. Okay. See, in core Java class, you studied types of streams. Types of streams. How many types? Streams. 4 types. 2 types only. What are those? Byte streams, character streams. That's it. Object stream also byte stream only. Data input stream also byte stream only. Okay. Only 2 types of streams are there. Byte streams, character streams. Like class names different. Like so many are there. 10 plus streams are there. Like that if you think 10, 20 streams it comes. Input stream, file input stream, buffered input stream, buffered output stream, like that. Object input stream, data input stream, so many are there. 2 types of streams. Byte streams, character streams. Object streams also byte streams only. Object streams also byte streams only. Data input stream, data output stream also byte streams only. Buffered reader, buffered writer, character streams. File reader, character streams. They're very simple. If the class name ends with stream, that is byte stream. If the class name ends with reader, writer, character stream. That's it. Suppose for example, file reader, which stream? Character stream. File writer, character stream. File input stream, byte stream. File output stream, byte stream. Object input stream, object output stream. Data input stream, Stream is there, that is byte stream. Reader writer is there, character stream. That's it. Only two types of streams are there. Okay. Categories 3. What are those categories? Console input output streams, file input output streams, network input output stream. 3 categories. Accepting data, displaying data, that is console. Reading to file, writing to file streams. Sending to client and server, network streams. Okay. Networks output streams, file input output streams, network input output streams. Accepting data from keyboard, which stream? Console. Displaying data on monitor, console output stream. Reading data from file input stream. Writing data to a file output stream. Sending data to a server, network output stream. Receiving data, input stream. 3 categories of stream, 2 types of streams. What's the difference between byte streams and character stream? Very few people are giving answer, you observe. Very few people. Byte stream, character stream, what's the main difference? Okay. Okay. Any other? Byte streams, byte array, character stream, character array. That is everyone knows. Byte stream, 1 byte, character stream, 2 bytes, everyone knows. Because that is by core Java, byte means 1 byte only. Byte data type 1 byte only. Character 2 bytes. That is everyone knows. Main difference. Byte stream supports all types of data. Character stream, you given that, you whatever given, that is right. Byte stream data, whatever type data is there, all types supported. Character stream, only text. That is the difference, main difference. Suppose one image is there. Suppose some image is there. This image I want to read. Is it possible with character stream? No, compulsory byte stream. Okay. So byte stream supports all types of data. Character stream supports only text. There also you observe. Suppose here like this A, B, C, D something data is there. This is text file. abc.txt, one file. Okay. Otherwise sample.txt, one file. From this file, this data I want to read through byte stream. Through byte stream, possible or not possible? Possible. Through character stream, possible or not possible? Possible. Now, through byte stream, if you want to read, file input string class you will write. Through character stream, if you want to read, file reader. But what's the difference? Byte stream. Now, with byte stream, you can read. With character stream, you can read. What's the difference? What is it? Byte stream? Bytes only. Character stream, characters only. What is the output comes? If I read, how it will come? Bytes only. That is answer right only. Byte stream, byte only, character only. But it is possible to read, no? If you read here, ASCII code comes 97, 98, 99, 100, like this. A means 97, B means 98, like that comes. Here what it comes? Character stream. There conversion required, here conversion not required. Suppose image is there, image. Is it possible with byte stream? Yes. Character stream? Not possible. So byte stream possible. Character stream not possible. Other than text is there. Other than text is there, which stream we ought to use? Byte stream. Text is there. Both possible. Which is best? Character stream. Because conversion not required. That is the reason while using file input stream, we are converting into string. After reading. But if you use character string, conversion is not required. File program. But if you use file reader, conversion is not required. Directly characters only comes. With the buffer reader class, read line method, directly string comes. Okay. But those are not much important streams. No. Because in internet streams will use. That is the next topic, solids. Internet. Client to server, server to client. That network, internet. Whatever you studied in core Java, that is local area network, LAN, socket, server socket, port number, these are you studied in core Java. That is only LAN. Internet means advanced Java. Here, BLOB CLOB difference is that one only. BLOB supports all types of data. CLOB supports only text. Write this one. BLOB supports all types of data. Text, image, graphics, animation, audio, video, dash, etc. BLOB stands for binary large object. It is used to store or retrieve large amount of binary data as a single entity in or from database. Next, CLOB. CLOB stands for character large object. It is used to store or retrieve large amount of character data as a single entity in or from database. So with this BLOB and CLOB, now images, audio, videos also we can store in a file database. CLOB supports text only. CLOB stands for character large object. C nothing but character, L nothing but large, OB nothing but object. It is used to store or retrieve large amount of character data as a single entity in or from database. CLOB supports text only. So now you have seen all just the student records like that you have seen to store in database. Now, suppose your photo you want to store in database or one video file you want to store in database, then BLOB required. Suppose your resume you want to store in a database, CLOB required, like that. Okay. Now, text is there, both you can use, both. But conversion concept is there if you use BLOB. And text is there, CLOB better. Other than text is there, BLOB better. Okay. That is how to insert video files, audio files. These all we'll see Monday class. Okay, Monday we'll see continuation.